Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate fixed deposit interest in Excel. So here you can see I have data, customer name, fixed deposit amount, interest rate and years. So to calculate interest earned, select the cell is equal to, select the B2, then add the asterisk sign, select the C2, add the asterisk sign, select the T2. And here in this formula, B2 is the deposit amount, the principal amount, okay? And C2 is the annual interest rate, and D2 is the investment period in years. We multiply all three values to calculate the total simple interest earned over the investment period. Understood? Press enter and select the cell. Double click on this corner point and here you can see the interest earned here calculate of every customer. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.